Hello friends, good evening. Today date is 26 July 2021. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Basle. Today's video topic is methods in string. Let's see before starting today's video topic, what is mean by string? String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. We can write a string by using two methods by using string literal and by using string new keyword. Let's see. In Java, string is basically an object that represents a sequence of character values. An array of characters work same as Java string. Let's see. Java string provides a lot of methods to perform operations of string, such as compare method, concat method, equals method, split method, length method, replace method, compare to method, intern method, substring method. Let's see what is my character sequence. Let's see. Before starting today's video topic, what is mean string in Java? Generally, string is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. In the Java length string class is used to create a string object. Then let's see methods in string. The first method is a compare to method. In compare to method we can compare to method compares the two string with ASCII value. The next method is a caret index. It returns the character value for the particular index. The next method is a integer length method. Returns the string length. Next method is a static string format, in which it returns the formatted string. Next is a static return format with local string format and object arguments. Returns the formatted string with the given local. Next is a string substring integer beginning index. It returns the substring for a given index. Next method is a string substring int begin index and integer index end index as a parameter. Returns the substring for a given begin index and end index. Next method is a boolean contains character sequence s as a parameter. It returns the true or false after matching the sequence of values. The next method is a static string join. It returns a joined string. Next method is a static string join with a parameter as a character sequence delimiter and iterable extends. It returns the joined string. Next method is a boolean equal with as a parameter as a object another. It checks the equality of the string with the given object. Next method is a boolean empty. It checks if the string is empty. Next method is string concat. In string concat, the specified string concatenate the specified string. In next method is a string replace as a parameter as a character old or character new. Replace the all character occurrence of the specified character value with given string. The string replace with parameter as a character sequence or old character sequence new. It gives the replace all occurrence of the specified character sequence. Next method is a static string equals ignore case. String another compares the another string. It doesn't check the case. It ignore the case. String split string regex. In method the returns the split string matching. Next method is a string split with as a parameter as a string regex and int limit. It returns a split string matching regex and limit. Next method is a string intern. In string intern returns a internal string. And next method is index of and as a parameter integer ch. It returns the specified character value of index. Then next method integer index of with parameter integer ch and integer form index returns the specified character value index with starting with given index. Next method is integer index of string substring returns the specified substring string index. Next method is int index of string substring. Int form index returns the specified substring index starting with the given index. Next method is string to lowercase. It returns the string to lowercase. Next method is string to uppercase. It returns the string in uppercase. Next method is string trim. Removes the beginning and ending spaces of this string. And last method is the static string value of with parameter integer value. Convert the given type into string. It is an overloaded method. Thank you.